Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, Ethereum is reacting as well. I need to say though, Ethereum chart less, uh, um, not as good honestly as the Bitcoin one. Okay, let's compare. We did a wave 1, we did a wave 2. Look at the level of the wave 2. A little bit lower than the 0.786. Now, Ethereum, boom, even lower than 0.886. So, deeper, almost went back from the, almost it was so close to being validated, right? So I can call maybe this a wave 1 and this a wave 2, this wave 3. Now acting really to this MA50. I think I did say yesterday the same thing, Bitcoin and Ethereum, the next challenge is going to be the MA50. I do believe it's going to go there. And in fact, if we take the VRVP, you can see that a lot of levels here, and this is now where it's stuck. So what are the coincidences? Also here we had a lot of support that is going to flip resistance, and then this is exactly what it's doing, right? So this was an easy level to see that price would struggle to go over that level, to pass that level. So for the moment, I don't really like it to call it a 1, 2, but then here it's the wave 3. I believe now, I don't believe honestly that Ethereum is going to go much higher than this level. It did do a lot already. Now the question is it this a diagonal? We did an A, B, C, and then this for the third wave it's an A, B, and a C. Very possible. How can we say something? Can we determine that this wave C is finished? Let's go and check it out. So I take the length of the wave A to the length of to the end of the wave B, or what we think it's a wave B, and then I click on wave C here. So we are here at 1-to-1 ratio. We went a little bit higher, and then this is why we're struggling now. So I mean, does Fibonacci extension work or what? Okay, so this could be already the third wave, but already, I mean, we went pretty much high, right? Okay, so let's start to do some labeling now. So this is origin, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, more likely this is the third wave, and now we're going to make maybe the fourth wave and eventually the fifth wave. So if this is 1-to-1 ratio, I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep it though. Okay, let's wave A. Wave A with C. Let me get rid of the other levels. All right, so we know this is our wave now. Let me extend it a little bit because we don't even see the lines. Okay, here we go. Now I want to determine where would be the fourth wave retracement, and that's going to be a deep one because our wave 2 is very deep. So brace for impact when we're going to start. I mean, it's not going to be drastic, but we can lose quite a percentage. All right, so from the current price, the ideal would be about a 6.5%. So just to give an idea, we're talking about 3,235 give and take. Also look at this very long wick, so pay attention to this level. I'm actually going to put horizontal ray here, and let's see if it does reach that level. Just for fun, put a color that I usually don't use. Okay. Now, it's really important to not do some fall into the FOMO experience or you know, emotion. For sure, we would have loved all to get Lido at 140, and now we are what, 186. But once again, this is it's a messy chart. I don't like it, and this is why I didn't get in. Now, for sure, you can. I mean, we can say, oh, this was a 1 and this was a 2. Yeah, but you know, go on the 1 hour. Not as clear, my friend. Not as clear. So yeah, it's on top of that is 3-wave movement, and yeah. So, but the other way to play this one, it's like, well, we know that, you know, every time. Actually, let me take the sector here. Every time Bitcoin moves, STX move, all right? And every time Ethereum move, I don't know why this one is there. There is Matic, we have Arbitrum, we have Lido, and we have Optimism, that they move with Ethereum. Every time I pick one, it's always the other one that move more. And you see, in this case, Optimism was the one who actually moved way more than Lido. Anyway, for today. Let me go and check this chart. Oh yeah. Okay, so Optimism this time, actually they were not that bad both. But Optimism did catch up more. I think now I'm extending away from the point of this video, but so Optimism 51% up, Lido 37. Anyway, just to let you know, every time Ethereum moves, those 4s are going to follow. So maybe you want to pay attention of those if you see Ethereum. So now, would it be time to invest in those 4? Totally not, right? Because I'm expecting a correction. But if the correction of the 4th wave is completed and the pullback is deep, then I wouldn't mind to invest in one of those coins or several of those coins, because you know, the deeper I go, the less is the risk, because my I know I'm going to step out, you know, below a certain level, and potential for the 5th wave. And because we already have 3 waves and then we have a pullback, and if it's deep, like we have a lot of invalidation, our invalidation point is very near, and we do have the MA 50, sorry, that's the MA 200. So for me, I feel very comfortable to go in here, maybe in leverage. So no FOMO, please. And wait, doesn't make sense to go for it now. Bitcoin the same, we have a 1-2, 3-wave for a wave 1, 3-wave for a wave 3. We did reach the 2.236. Yesterday, I really thought this was the beginning of the 4th wave, but we never broke the trend, and we went, you know, we made a higher high, local one. So now I made another trend here, the blue one. Until we don't break that one, it's we didn't do anything, right? So we can still go higher. First thing, we need to break a trend. This is the shorter one, short-term one. We really need to break also this one here, the bigger one, and we're going to have the MA50 acting as a support. So once again, yeah, this I don't know if I said it because I had to restart the video, so now I forgot. But it looks like here, Ethereum, the MA50 is acting more as a resistance. But for Bitcoin, it looks like it's more acting as a support. So let's not jump the guns. I'm not taking for granted that 4th wave is started. Here I had a signal and then we did break it, right? But now it's kind of changing. Could it be that the 4th wave, we just do a side movement, right? Very possible. I mean, this, okay, now it's a little bit sketchy, but how if, yeah, we're making something like that for the fourth wave, right? And then maybe this was the A, this is the B, then C, D, E. So we're not having a deeper pullback, and we're going to do something like a side consolidation if we don't really have a nice signal that's initiating. So now this one, I'm going to take it out, unless this is A, this is overshooting with B, and then we're going to do the C. But you know, we have many options there, and we need to wait for invalidation to be sure which one is going to be. So that's why it's helpful to have Fibonacci and extension, and you know, yeah, because it helps us out to eliminate stuff. So first of all, breaking the trend, let's see how it interact with the MA50. Breaking the second trend, then that would really make me believe that the fourth wave it's initiating, and the third it's officially over. So these are the level now we need to watch. I'm not honestly looking for this level here, but if it does, fine. I'll take some, or I'll shop some altcoins for sure. And yeah, this is pretty much all for today for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.